gonna bother with walking away though. We're not gonna waste anyone's time tonight, alright? Here we go. Thank you all so very much for being here. What a wonderful evening, what a wonderful way to end a tour. I'm afraid of the way that I live my life. I'm afraid of the way I don't. I'm afraid of the things that I wanna do, but I won't. I'm afraid of God. I'm afraid to believe, and I'm afraid of all the loved ones that I may leave. I'm afraid that my dog doesn't love me anymore. And I'm afraid of the social laziness that let Kenny Genovese die. And I'm afraid of the mentality that makes otherwise normal people get blind. I'm afraid of the way that the world works. And I'm afraid of the words in my notebooks. I'm afraid that you but the big red bird that lives under the city doesn't give a damn about me, and it dies every night by burning alive. I'm afraid of my grandfather's cancer, and I'm afraid of my mom's dying arm. I'm afraid that I've somehow caused my family harm. I'm afraid that the ones I love won't have enough. I'm afraid that the ones I love won't have enough. It's harder to be yourself than it is to be anybody else. I wish I were a little less of a coward. But the big red bird that lives under the city doesn't